Today we are in Istres with A350 MSN4 for water trough testing. The goal of the test is to have the aircraft going through a pool installed on the runway with 23 millimeters of water below the nose landing gear to demonstrate that the spray generated by the nose landing gear is not entering the air intake. The troughs are 100 meters long and 29 meters wide. It's more than 60 cubic meters of water installed on the runway.
So we are in East Air Force Base, which is a long runway that enables us to install the pool there, remaining enough runway so that the operations can continue despite the pool is being built on the runway. And as well, the pool can be installed in a part of the runway where it is flat enough so that we don't get too much water in the pool, which is important not to have too much. So that's a good compromise with that runway, so we can dedicate part of the runway for the pool installation. And on top of it, out of the pool with high speed, we still have 3,000 meters to stop, should anything happen.
I was in charge of monitoring the engines, and Robert was looking at the braking and the behavior of the wheel speeds.
C'est bon derrière. Et ben le sol, on démarre le 1. Et ben là, il faut pas mal. 2, 1, top.
So we started with first pass at 60 knots, then we increased progressively the speed from 60 to 90 to 120 knots in forward mode. And then we performed one additional test point at 70 knots with a max reverse over the water troughs.
Whisky, arrêté, moteur coupé, inspection peut commencer.
The reason why we are very keen to perform this kind of test is because you can discover a lot of other interesting stuff on other parts of the aircraft, like the main landing gear, the radio altimeters and so on, that afterwards requested to make some modifications in order to address it before the entry into service.
So today it was fine. The weather was good. The wind was a little bit tricky, so he played a little bit with us. But eventually he stayed in the front, aligned on the runway, so we could do the test despite it was sometimes at the upper limit of what we had met for the test, so it was okay.
The results are good. The spray generated by the nose landing gear didn't touch the engine air intake. Now the design office has to analyze the data to extrapolate the result to a max post wind, which is a result awaited and which will be presented to EASA to meet the certification requirements.